Hello, I'm Jessica Roxby, and today we'll be exploring real numbers. Real numbers can be broken up into both rational numbers and irrational numbers. Whereas rational numbers can be further broken up into whole numbers, integers, and natural numbers. So the definition of a rational number would be any number in the form a over b such that b cannot equal 0. The definition for the irrational number is any number that cannot be written in the simplest form of a over b. Now, the definition of a whole number would be any number, any positive number on the number line, including 0. So examples of whole numbers would be 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. The definition of an integer is any number on the number line. So that includes both positive and negative numbers. So examples of that would be -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, so on and so forth. The definition of a natural number now is known as the counting numbers. So these are the numbers that we learn when we first start learning how to count from 0 to 10. But there are also numbers that go past 0, but starts with 1. So the counting numbers do not include 0, and that's what separates them from the whole numbers. Therefore, some examples of these would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so on and so forth. Here now, we're going to learn some examples of irrational numbers. So an example of an irrational number would be the number the square root of 10. This number cannot be written in the simplest form, a over b. Another example of a rational number would be a non-terminating, non-repeating decimal. So an example of that would be the number 3.4572, etc., with none of the numbers repeating. So it'll keep going with a new number every time, such as the number pi, which we all know as 3.141579, etc. That is an overview of how to classify real numbers. Thank you for listening.